Grandover Resort is an extraordinary hotel in Piedmont, North Carolina. We've been in business here, open for 25 years now, just celebrated our 25th year, and have guests from all over the world that come in and enjoy all of the amenities here at Grandover.
I love Grandover because of the people. People make this place.
We do a lot with hot water and a lot with tempered hot water, and it's sometimes challenging. In this building in particular, we had issues with accuracy as far as the tempering valves. They just couldn't keep up with the hot water demand and the flow characteristics of the building being so dynamic.
Our guests come in and are looking for a luxury experience here at Grandover. And there are aspects of their stay that we don't want them to have to worry about. Obviously, hot water, water in general, are one of those things. You know, there are so many ancillary things that are in the background of a guest stay that don't come into play unless it becomes a problem. One of the things that we have done is invest in this product that has given us a lot of credibility. It's one less thing that we have to worry about. From a mechanical side and an operational side in a hotel, there are so many things that affect the guest stay, most of which they never give it a second thought. But if you push an elevator button and the elevator doesn't move, you know, that's a problem. If you turn on hot water and there's no hot water or the pressure's low, that's a problem.
I tell you, if my guest doesn't have a remote control in his room when he gets here, we're giving him some money back. It's just the type of place we are. And I don't like giving money back at all. Worst case scenario, when you have large major equipment go down, chillers, water issues, water heaters, the tempering valves sticking. I don't have those problems anymore on the water side of that.
The IntelliStation 2 setup just solved all those issues, and it's just so accurate.
Prior to the IntelliStation 2, my old piston style tempering valve couldn't keep up. What I've seen with the IntelliStation is it's immediate. It can keep up with my instant hot water heaters like nothing I've ever seen. I mean, it's immediate. If more draw on the building is coming down the line, this thing adjusts, it regulates, and I can tell you it's been in here for almost 3 months and I haven't had one issue, not one call out of hot water. My upper floors, I used to not have pressure. I gained almost 6 pounds of water pressure going through my upper floors. I don't get calls for water issues, hot water issues in the building anymore at all.
Literally, we put this thing in, turned it on, up to temperature, IntelliStation 2, and it is perfect the whole time. It feels great. I mean, it's to go from something you're having to babysit and take care of and literally beat on to make work to something that's just flawless. It literally changed some of these maintenance guys' lives because they're not here all the time dealing with hot water issues.
From a leadership perspective, you don't want your engineers thinking, you know, this hotel's not fixing their problems. Now they see that we invest in a product not only to help our guests, but to help them as well.
This has been one of the best things that we've done for this building. It's changed the whole hotel. It's done more than any of us thought that it would do. It goes above and beyond in supplying my guests. That's who I worry about, my guests.
This product comes with my highest recommendation. From the moment that it was installed, I don't think we've had another problem with a guest. And I will tell you beforehand, we had a lot. It's the reason why we decided to invest in it. It's the reason that our engineers got excited about it when they heard about it. We really had our whole engineering team look at it. It was one of those things that once we did it and we hoped it would create what we were hoping it would, which is 0 phone calls at night with no water pressure, no hot water. That happened. It comes with my highest recommendation.